Hello, my name is Simona, and this story happened in Mexico years ago. It happened when me and my friend we tried to find one ranch of our common friend, and well, we got lost. Yeah, but before we got lost, we met one guy with a leather jacket, and when we asked him like, "Where are you going?" he said like, "Yeah, I'm going to the metal concert," and was like, "Metal concerts in these mountains?" He said, "We're coming there." Yeah. Well, we were joking, but after we got lost and we were walking 7 hours up and down and around the woods and everywhere, and we heard noises like sounds of people around all the time, but haven't seen anyone. But after 7 hours of walking, we saw two ladies on the other side of the hill. We started screaming and yelling, and we just wanted the attention, and the ladies noticed us and waited for us to come there. And those two ladies took us to one ranch, and there it was, guess what? Well, it was a metal concert. It turned out that it was a spiritual metal concert, and it was a lovely community. We were very nicely accepted, and we had a great time. But this guy needed like 45 minutes to come to that place. We needed 7 hours, but we did it, and it was great.